But we're talking about this issue, Will, with the FBI lawyer pleading guilty. The Durham investigation, old Kevin Klein-Smith. Did a little editing of an email. Get himself in a little hot water. So we got to be careful when you're sending stuff around. You never know.
If you get an email from the CIA, it's like, I feel like you've got to be pretty confident in what your end game is if you think that it's okay to alter that. And unfortunately for him, but fortunately for the American people, he's going to now be pleading guilty to one charge of falsifying a document. And remember, the FISA court was very upset with this, as they should be, because they were given information that was falsified. And they wrote a scathing order back to the FBI saying, you've got to list basically any other case that Klein-Smith had worked on. And basically they had to account for all the information with not even just related to this investigation, right. But they were very upset because, like you had said, you had a moment where you lost faith in some of the government institutions. Yeah. The FISA court, or the Foreign Intelligence Surveillance Court, as it's formerly known, was very upset as well, and they kind of lost faith in some of the work product of the FBI themselves. So I think what we're going to end up seeing here is hopefully a lot of changes,
and this
not
is
just
take time.
in the infrastructure of the FBI.
And Attorney General Barr really clearly laid out that it's going to take time. This isn't something. He's not a big man. He's not a man to rush. Right. Never watched any of the times he's been questioned or anything. He's got some good singers. He's got some great moments. This is not a man in a rush.
He's very calculated.
He's going to be calculated. He's going to take his time and make sure that the law is upheld properly. Well, yeah, I will.
I think we should play a bite from the Attorney General last night on Hannity, because he does show the importance that it's not just bringing people to justice as well of why this investigation is going on. We need to also fully understand what happened, because the FBI prior to this, and then
does this one have to do with pizza?
It does not. This one is not about
I'm not
pizza.
as interested in this comment.
But this one specifically, because we know that the Mueller investigation, and we know that the FBI prior to Mueller weren't really giving us the full picture of what happened in 2016. So I think it's important that we hear this bite, because it shows the mindset of the Attorney General when he tasked Durham to do this investigation. Let's play bite 2.
There are two different things going on, Sean. One, I've said that the American people need to know what actually happened. We need to get the story of what happened in 2016 and 17 now out. That will be done. The second aspect of this is, if people cross the line, if people involved in that activity violated the criminal law, they will be charged.
All right, let's that was obviously Attorney General Barr. Made a pretty great statement there.
Right.